Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X870X. 39,000 miles in this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Nightfall gray metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. You can even fold the seats from the rear with a pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's, of course, with the backup camera displays. Dual-zone automatic temperature control, heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and the city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.